All right, tonight I'm going to be doing some refactoring with Django just to improve user experience. Yeah, let's get into it. So I already have this laid out here, but I need to actually, finish it. So what I'm trying to do is just make a simple update user info view, but I don't want to include the profile picture. So I think what I can just do, just delete this from request.data. The only potential issue is that I thought request.data, uh, I thought it wasn't a Python dictionary and it was a custom object. So yeah, that might be interesting. We'll see though. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so once we delete that, then we can really just go about saving this normally. So s- start with this, get object over 404, custom user. I forget the standard for this. Do I have this in here? Oh, just ID. Okay, wonderful. ID is equal to user. And I might need to do uh re request.user.id, but for the moment, should leave like that. And if it gives me a nasty error, then I'll deal with it then. Okay. And now we can create our serializer. And all it's going to be is our custom user serializer with, actually, I need to check something real quick. I think this is the case, but let me make sure. Okay, yeah. For a moment, I thought that the serializer that I was about to use had some custom fields on it that I didn't need for this, but it doesn't, so we're cool. Um, yeah, so, okay. I might just need to make a different... Actually, you know what? You know what I could do? I could go back to using a generic view for this. If I just yoink this, go down here, and say, this is a put custom user serializer. You can make a little note for saving without profile picture because saving profile picture happens in a different route. Wonderful. Okay, so in that case, what we're actually going to do for now, I'm going to comment this out. I'm going to go back to using a generics dot I think it was update API view. Yeah, update API view. And then let's see. I might just refer, yeah, let me just refer back to GitHub. It's gonna be easier than doing this. So, okay, well, the stream is on the YouTube stream tab is on the tab that I have GitHub open on, so I'll show up a new one. Anyways, I think I can go here. And I can just, I will actually, I can really look at any point in the repository because I haven't changed that yet or committed that yet. So just go here and this is in user reviews. So let's go to accounts, views. Let's just see what this looks like. It's a generic update and well, actually we're just gonna go ahead and yoink this. Okay. I could have figured it out maybe, but no, well, whatever. Okay. This will just be put custom user serializer. Did I not import you? Put custom. Okay, there we go. I did import you now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so we should update everything except the profile picture, which would be wonderful. So let me think about this real quick. I think that I just want to go and test this. And I can just look at the test I have for this update. Do I not have a test case for this? I mean, that actually, shit, I probably don't because it's a generics view. So yeah, it's just not really necessary. Okay, well in that case, we're gonna go to we're gonna do this in a little bit more bare bones of a manner. and then, well, not bare bones, but I'm just gonna manually test it. So let me hop over to settings.jsx, and we actually go to helpers.js. And here, go back down here, and I have to remember how I did this damn thing. So I think we did, let's see, variable is image. Okay, is equal to, we'll just start with false, and we'll say, no, we need to say this, then is image okay is still equal to false. Otherwise, we do this. But my syntax is wrong somewhere. I'm not sure where though. This should be. Oh, I need a closing. There we go. Wonderful. I might actually. You know what? I'm just gonna refer back to the GitHub here, just so I can look at this and get done with it. I could just write it from scratch again, but well, there's no reason to do that. Should be seeing features and then helpers. Okay. And then we're just gonna replace all this. And then let's go down here and we add this back in to and is image upload okay. Wonderful. All right. Now I need to actually go back over here and test this. Make that in settings. Make sure it loads. And if it does end up watching this, you might notice that this is a brand new UI, and that's because I redid the entire UI. I'm still going to touch it up a bit more, but I like this a lot more. I like it being dark mode, and I hope that my users will like it being dark mode a bit more. Anyways, on to this. So what I should be able to do here is save this without the profile picture, and it should be okay. So, okay. Oh, primary key. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, I need to do that again. This is here, plus get cookie user info. It's this, then you have to hop back to URLs. Just add in this, and I need to go over to views, and I don't need to actually. I don't need to do anything there. Okay. Now let's try this again. With the page. Save. Okay. 404 not found. Is that? Am I logged in? Because I feel, I feel like I've had this happen. Okay, yeah, no, it's there. Am I just? Do I have the cookie wrong? Oh yeah, user ID. There we go. Okay. All right, wonderful. That successfully saves now. And I know the little pop-up icon there looks absolutely atrocious, but that's okay. We'll fix that later. Yeah, so for now, this works. And again, profile picture is not being saved. So well, sorry. It's not being saved in that call. But what I want to check is if I actually save a profile picture, we should see an additional request here to save profile picture. Wonderful. If I reload, beautiful. Okay. Yeah, for once in my life, that was actually a really simple issue. So I actually might go ahead and end the recording here because otherwise it's gonna run on forever. So if you did watch this long, thank you so much for watching. I know that this was a really short video, but that was kind of my hope with this, that this issue wouldn't take forever. Actually, since we're here, just to extend the runtime because why not? Um, let me go through here and just make this commit and finish and mark the issue as finished, which is right here. So 62. So git commit minus m closes number 62. All right. And make sure this is finished. Wonderful. And that is going to mark the end of my stream. Or not, sorry, not my stream. I'm not ending the stream yet. But this is going to mark the end of the recording. If you have watched this long, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.